Welcome back to Mobility Solutions for today's quick repair video on a Pride Go-Go Super Portable. So let's get right to it.
Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions Affordable Medical. I have a super portable right here and it's giving me some issues. Now it's on my demo floor, so it kind of sucks it's already doing this, but I'm going to change the controller on it. It's electronic, so things do go wrong. So it won't work. All the lights come up, turn it on and off, hit the throttle, nothing. No fault code, no beep code, nothing. So any scooter that you have, if you're getting that, when you put this in freewheel, no beeps. That's probably a good chance it's the controller or the brains of the unit that has gone bad or something happened to it. I'm gonna flip this onto its side. First of all, before you do this, take the battery out the unit. That's how you remove this one. So I'm just gonna lay this on its side right here. And I got to get to this box. I'm just going to use a screwdriver and this. I'm probably going to change up my tools a little bit. I'm not the best technician, but I'm doing this for you. So this is what comes when they ship it out. Some extra screws. You might not need it. Whatever this is for. Who knows? It's just the cover that covers over this controller. Mike can save that because you can use that one too. This is what you want. Kind of wish they made it a little bit easier to get to. Now if you buy this from us and this happens to happen to you, in the first year you have the 1-year in-home labor warranty. You have the option to buy 2 and 3. You know, these things are really dependable, so this is not something that happens very often. Blows my mind that I'm having to do this, but I'm just going to clamp that nut and loosen this. We have a little metal tray that I don't have right beside me, so just don't lose that. Put it right there. It's the best way. Put it in like a bag or something. So now I got to get to the next one, and it's in a little bit harder spot. Let's go ahead and stand it straight up maybe. It's always just one other one. I don't want to have to take everything off this thing. See, a lot of stuff just plug and play. Take a snap real quick of where they go. The yellow goes to the U, the green goes to the V, and the blue goes to the W, and that's your positive negative. So it's really not that hard on this one if you could just maybe take one quick snap of your picture. I don't think you need to use all the stuff that comes with it. I'm just going to start unplugging everything. Like, cause they send this out, they send this box and all the new bolts. I just need to get this unplugged. Check these things when you're in here. Make sure they're pushed all the way in. Because if one's loose, it's going to give us an issue. So you can change 100 of these controllers out. It's not going to fix the problem. So just double check all these connections. But we're about to figure out why this is doing what it's doing. So if it's just this, then it's just this. But if we put this new controller on it, it doesn't fix the problem, then we got another issue. But this scooter is going to be around for a long time, so this repair video is actually a really good one for you. Again, this isn't very common that this goes bad. You got a positive and negative. You got a positive and negative. You can see it there, so we'll just go ahead and plug those up. Positive, negative. Just make sure they get in there tight. And then everything else is plug and play with these.
And they're all different sizes, right? So
yep, you can't connect them wrong. They're all plug and play. And then you got to figure out the color scheme, because I've already forgot. So that's why I took the picture. I'm not sure if it matters if they go the wrong way, but I'm going to hook it up the same way, which maybe doesn't matter. But before I put all this back together, I'm going to check it out.
Looky there.
That's it. It's your freewheel. Turn it off. For safety reasons, remove the battery. I was finished putting this thing together. Again, I didn't use all the stuff that came with it, so just save it or donate it to somebody. And again, make sure you have like a little bowl or something to put these screws and stuff in. So on the back side of this, that's what you got to hold, the locking nut, or it won't come off. So that one's really hard to get to, the other ones are pretty easy. Buy the GB120 if you haven't bought a scooter yet. It's a lot easier to work on for this modular if you need to. Other stuff on this would probably be easier. I don't know. I just don't know if I like the quality of this part. I don't like this case. I don't like that this thing gets wet. I don't know. I just don't know. I don't make this stuff. Just sell it. But I try to stay in my lane. I wouldn't sell. I saw, you know, a big thing on e-wheels went out of business. Could have told you that was going to happen. That's why I've always stayed away from it. People begged me to get e-wheels. I said, no, I don't do it. There's other companies out there that will sell it knowing that they're going to have problems. But from what I heard, they sell. They make money. People want them. Well, it's coming back to get them, I think. But I guess you can't predict everything. But I can tell you after the first one I did that I wouldn't sell another one. But it's sad. Sad for those people. I don't know. All they're doing, e-wheels, just so you know, they sent me an email trying to explain that they're opening back up, but it's going to be under a different name, which I think's very scammy. So again, their new brand name coming out. I'm sure these other online guys are going to jump all over it. Not me. Not this guy. And I kind of do a little bit of buyer beware videos of some other units. I've just done this a long time, so I'm just giving you just a slight heads up what's probably going to happen. Some people say thank you and other ones criticize it, but the problem is they haven't had it very long, so right now they're having a blast with them. But I hope nothing happens. But I'm just trying to stay away from.
Yeah, that's you make a good point when you talk about people reading the reviews of products, and they see all the positive reviews. You just gotta focus on what they're saying. Did they just open that product, or is that review wrote 6 months down the road? Yeah, reviews that come down the road are more accurate.
That is very important. Make sure you read the reviews for 6 months. And to be honest with you, I hope you don't have to do this change out. It's not the easiest one to do. Golly. Freaking punch something right now. Okay, stay right there, baby.
So yeah, if you take the shroud off, apparently there's a lot more room to get in from the top.
So don't do what Chris did. Go ahead and remove the shrouds.
You see how hard it is still? Gosh.
Yeah.
How we do it, baby. That's how we do it.
So, I just put the shroud back over.
as you can see, we got it fixed. It's a little bit of a pain to get to those nuts and bolts. Makes it a little bit easier to remove the shroud, a little bit extra step. If you have any questions or if you're looking for a mobility scooter, just give us a call at 803-926-2224. Visit us online at affordablemedicalusa.com.
Thanks for watching today's video, and don't forget,
If you're looking to finance something, we're offering 0% interest, 3, 6, up to 12 months on purchases, which is really cool. And it's very easy to do. So we offer it with Bread Pay.
and we have a full-length video on our channel on how to use it. Go check it out. Make sure to come back to our shop videos where we do full unboxings and much more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.